2024 was an exciting year at XL Fluid Group, and we're looking forward to 2025. We're focused on people and growth and service. 2024 brought out the best in the people at XL, and they continue to grow and develop to serve needs of our clients better. We brought electrical engineering in-house. We improved our capability in professional engineering for the design and construct of packaged pump stations with engineers across the country. We added team leadership roles to production to ensure our ISO 9001 quality is audited and maintained. We improved our capabilities in mechanical design. We added business development and sales personnel to ensure that our footprint is maximized and projects all around the country are taken advantage of. This led to a need for a larger office, so our offices are expanding to accommodate our growing team, and growth is always an exciting word for XL Fluid Group staff. Our market penetration has increased in private development. We're looking at more military projects. We're seeing the need for data centers to require pump stations. And of course, our municipal clients that we continue to work with for critical infrastructure right throughout the country. This also creates the demand for service. So in 2024, XL Fluid Group installed its single largest pump station with a contractor, and in 2025, we are already underway designing and constructing even larger pump stations to be installed by partner contractors in the country. Field service is critical, as both commissioning needs to occur and then service into the future. We've upgraded our service fleet, we've added service personnel, and we're ensuring that we maintain a strong footprint in the field into the future of pump stations, whether they're installed and sold by XL Fluid Group or by others. This is important because it allows us to continue our innovation and R&D. We're learning how these pump stations are operating, learning what's working, and learning what continues to require improvement and acting accordingly. So people, growth and expansion, and service continue to be the hallmark of XL Fluid Group as we take it into 2025. If you're looking to join a winning team, if you know about a pump station that requires service, or you have a project that requires a packaged pump station, let's get in touch and work together in 2025. All the best.